welcome you to our YouTube channel Techno 247. And after a long time we are again with our Abacus videos, and we have learned in our previous videos about the introduction of student Abacus and about the structuring of Abacus with the rough drawing of Abacus. And now today we will learn about the using of student Abacus. So we have learned about the structure of Abacus, and once again I am going to repeat it all. So we all know that this wooden frame is known as frame of the Abacus, and this one is the bib. The line below the frame is known as bib, and these white lines are known as rod. These white lines which you can see, these are known as rods, and these are the bits, and these are below the bib. That's why these are known as lower bit, and the bits above the bib is known as upper bit. And we all know that the counting starts on Abacus with the midpoint on which we take it is ones. So this is our midpoint, and we can easily check it. How? Because here also there are two dots and here also there are two dots. So this is our midpoint, and this will be taken as ones. And we also know that for starting our counting we use the thumb and forefinger. We use our thumb and forefinger for using the bits or using the Abacus. We uplift the bit with our thumb and downwards with forefinger. So as you can see that this one is our unit place. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again this one is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And if we have to count 5, so this is 5. The single bit above the bib is count as 5. So this one is 5. Now once again 6, 7, 8 and 9. How it is possible? We know that this counts 5 and these single rods bits are 1. So 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 and plus 1, 9. And now if we have to count 10, so we will jump on 10th rod, so we will get at 10. Now for 11, again on 1st rod, 11, 12, 13, 14. For 15, this is 15. And now 16, 17, 18 and 19. Now again for 20, what will we do? Again on 10th rod. Let's see once more. Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the single bit is 5. Now 6, 7, 8 and 9, and the single bit on 10th rod is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. And now today we will learn also some small addition on this Abacus. Now see, if we have to add 2 plus 1, what we will do? 2 plus 1. So this is 2 and plus 1. What will be the answer? 3. What will be the answer? 3. If we have to count 2 plus 2, so 2 plus 2, what we will get? 4. Now let's start with some subtraction. So get 2. Okay. Suppose we count 5 plus 4. So 5 and 4. What we will get? 9. Again 6 plus 2. What is the answer? 8. So guys, this was the simple counting and simple addition and subtraction with direct method, and in our next video we will see the calculation of addition and subtraction with the help of